welcome back to my channel. Ha! Yeah! Guess what? I'm in a good mood today. I'm in a good mood. You know why? You know why? You better watch my first. You better watch my first tutorial where I was talking about color grading, man. And you know what did I say there? I was like, I wish I could say I'm back with another one. And guess what? Now I'm actually back with another one. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's going to be fire. It's going to be fire. But then today, we're talking seamless transition. You know, the fast forward and the slow motion. When you put them together and put a little bit of a blend motion over there, you get a wow seamless transition. And you wonder, damn man, how do they do it? That's the question that we are going to answer today. And it's just sort of kind of like a simple type of thing whereby you just have to understand the basics. What are the basics? What am I talking about when I'm talking about the basics? Basically, I'm talking about the frames. You have to get your frames correct, man, in terms of your camera, because you can't get this transition when you're shooting at 25 frames or at 23 frames or probably at 30 frames. You need you need more frames. You need to put in more frames, man. I mean more. And when I'm talking more, I'm talking about you need 60 frames per second. 50? Is it per second? Is it? Yeah, you know the drill. 50 frames. We're talking 50 frames, we're talking 60, we're talking 120 and above, man, depending on what your camera it's able to do. You know, I'm shooting on an M50, so the way I did my seamless transition was I was using a 60 frames because I can't use a 120. Yeah, I have it, but then it doesn't have like a full 1080p quality. Then man, we know did I use the F word? My apologies, I just have to censor that out. I have it, you know, keeping it PG. But then yeah, we're taking seamless transitions, and without wasting any more time, man, let's get it. Let's get it. I'm rocking my McWest t-shirt. Shout out to me. Yo, doing it big. You can't get me. Corrupt. It's not in my vocabulary. It's not in my DNA. It's not even my. Let's get it. Ha! So guys, yeah, here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro. So basically, what you gotta do is import your footages and then right click on one of your footages, go to modify, interpret footage. This is where the magic happens. Basically, you have to have shot your footage in 50 frames or above, or basically this won't work because you won't get that smooth transition. And what you gotta do is to come here and dial it down to 25 frames, and then if you can use 24 or you can use 30 depending on the country that you are at, because in my country the standard is 25. And then after you are clicking OK, and then here we are. This is the footages that I have used. So basically you have to understand the concept. So the concept is that mine, I have started it with a slow motion from that 25 frames, and then after when it comes here, and then I had to cut it, and then after cutting it, choosing the spot whereby I wanted to be fast, and then this was the part that I wanted to be fast, and then after I cut it again, put in some motion blur in it, the first blur in it. I can link the preset on the description below, and also I've put in the zoom in smooth effect so that I can get that zoom in and that zoom out effect. And then after, it was back to slow motion, being fast, slow motion, chopping and changing. Then you get the drill, man. I just hope you understand. And then that's it for me. And then what you gotta do also is color grade your footage, and then after color grading your footage, then boom, you get that smooth transition. If you want to, you can add some sounds to make it even more interesting. And then yeah, I think that's just about it. So guys, that's it, man. I hope you understand, you know. And then you can give this video a thumbs up, and then you can also subscribe to my channel so that we can keep things going, you know. And also, if you find this helpful, you can drop the videos that you have done after have seen this video so that I can see the work that you have done. Surely, I'm so sure that you did better than me. You did better than me. And me as a teacher, I'll be so proud, man. I'll be so proud. And last but not least, this video was sponsored by... Just kidding. I don't have a sponsor. See you on the next one.